Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Anyone would dear sit in a couple back breme. Some engine mammy manfo. Tata, dear man, when you say, Yadi, school Adriani, Yadi Aquama wanted so for. Say, Yaton, Yatoma, and Quafu said, for me, and I mean, need no more. Eduma me as some man into the me edumano. Now I don't know yet, Eduma, never do say, answer to be for, ya boy, and I mean, Shamidom. No, some a Sadian NCA. At me, Sir John. Miss Every John, me fro be our regent. Set a school at Jumane buy and one watch it to no the ama contract in here. Yamano. Yan one is an army. At the John many abro. Mejuma me die miss me to me scanning to coming back and damn word. Me the scanning the party. Yes, a more John, who John. Me such yes can me clat under one me tears come. I don't near bar. Near baby to and one is saying, you are not party no. You have a party no, Eduma Mano. She don't be a one no, what for the baby? Near the party Eduma, and it's in a subi, you have what to know, and yet to win this seat. The 116 regions. Shall never see a subi abasa. Subi a few and yamen, what would you to a piece in the switch? Me did what did you to a buy and a sabu domano and sana, being a young sabo to.
Sir, asem kesiye abeto wa mayen. Na say as politics goes. Yes, so ye to me a reciprocate. Na ye bo NDC for echi. Na ye chere Ghana for say omo de na da na beji abenua no. And then MPP for nya positive news ba ko ba. Na Rampojani, Italian mafia, no aba. Onu kwa ne wosika. Obe say bibia. Ena no metime baby. Sebio sebe. Ebra Kennedy Japan. Eye na dwene se oberane no. Yante se obi akodi Kennedy atemu. Your papa Brian Champon. He is doing it the right way. And today I must be frank to you. Should me papa ba omi awie ni 8 years na say obi fufuro bi be ko bi wa. I'm starting from today. I'll be Brian Champon. I don't care who is coming. Because he's doing it the right way. And I will show you cannot, you might dislike him, I don't care. Ebia, Brian, Ayobi, be our own pet, that's fine. But I'm showing you the reasons why I'm saying this. You see? Presidency is not something you go to bed today and wake up tomorrow and say, I want to become president, so make me president, maybe. It is an office you grow into. And that is why even the vice president, MPP and this name with Jimmy no. Eighteen as the vice president, even those or two no. Say president na man Juma one yeshi. If the president does not give him directions, if the president does not leave the jurisdiction, he can't do anything. So it is a position you grow your mind, you grow your arsenals, and develop them to be able to create a winning team. What has Brian Champon done that I like? Brian Champon has supported every NPP candidate we have brought. And the Brebia do. Or Felice, this time, I want to get into the ring. Deep down in Brian Champon's heart, on him said there are other people on my market, including Kennedy, crouching on Brian Champon. But ordinary move or MPP for say, hey, MPP. Dachi bino. Samu probia di money ma me pesa me ba o Brian Champon me pesa me ba. You know what that tells you about that guy? He's an honest guy. And for those Bawumia people, don't be afraid. Today I'm telling you, Brian is more Bawumia than anybody in the MPP. Me mo be Mekatro be on the background. Utie. your core primaries where you will see a Juma brand a Champon, just like a year in the last year, no, a Juma obey assign the iodine, assign the ama, say the MPP are buying. But one ma work, I will not do say, Minya Maya day, never. And Timon share candidates now, and ya mon shame kakra. Now, idea be a unique about brand a Champon candidate and say, and also the new dynamics be a them. Also, Baumia say, yeah, election and come use a broken English, cry out it. Election in the man who say, oh, Sana, I'm like Baumia to broken English, who say now, Okoshia, street boys now, tries on you, Kakra, Jaya Papa, the him so on Yan line, no, in the classroom. But Brian Champon is speaking to the LS in their dialect. He's speaking to accounts. He's speaking street language that we smokers know. That is a leader. Brian Champon and Kote baby. Hey, Nana Akufo-Addo say, Brian Champon, I need you to be national security. I say, yes, sir, I will serve. Brian Champon, I need you to be an MP. Yes, I will serve. Brian Champon, I need you to go to I'm like a Greek. Yes, sir, I will serve. I have money, sir. I'm a rich billionaire, but I will serve. Because what I know, he said, if you don't serve, you can't lead. So I, Brian Champon, I will serve. Papa be say young MPP in our man. Na on two. Non fan got na ascend on pen. Non fan ye di ope. Na say yam fa say key na man na two MPP mu a fan ko ascend on pen dia obegu party. Your friend say one mayor deputy minister keke. Ni see can ni brain to was one pe abona for na mudi na chi no. Na me be tie to mudi na aka mako. Sa confusion na mo pese ba MPP mu no Kennedy etitafo ade we koma mu se Isaac Jacob nyame na me som no da bia no sa wote ase a sam papa mu na mo pese ba MPP no ensi ma wadiem ensi mo maso ensi ma busuem sam papa mu na mo pese mo di nipa ba ko achi keke adi kuo ni na ko sham na mu no nyankopon ma sa confusion ensisi wa mo da mu ne mu kunu no mo de da confusion ensisi na mama so nya den say me mana so because mu nima de papa and mo nyam hu ni papa deputy minister keke serve your people who say when you fuck man me is gonna me see man you only see money you want to be president but unyania and your development now ojun ntoka eniska Etu ukra de sabi o ogbo adwuma na anka be ma de edu ba bia na say o sabi ojo ho kra nye ya me ma ya you know the American we X-rated one o ko wechi tumi ya dendende waso on de ne ko wechi ya dendende ko betu akogi ska ba na office oni pa we de wo Ghana e beto first munni munyansa some of you munnu na de ho nkwachire munnu na de ho nkwachire obi o ka kire so on ne yere have intimacy spirit are connected. Things and no things now. At that particular moment, where your Bema would done something else. Where your bar would done something else, no spiritual implication, no. He is willing to jeopardize that for money.